What's up, fam? This is Montana and Vietnam, and we are back with another tiny house hack. Today we are talking to you about our home entertainment system that we came up with. As you can see, we have this wall entirely covered with storage and our Murphy bed, and then if you'll flip the camera around me, you'll see that over here is our art gallery wall and our couch. Forgive the mess, we've both been sick for a couple weeks. But because we have our bed here, and we're not people that watch TV in bed, we try to cut that habit out. What we needed was to be able to watch the TV from our couch, and so what we decided to do was a hanging projector screen with a ceiling mounted projector in the back. And we're super stoked that we finally followed through and got this up and got it working. It's been amazing because we have been sick. We've been able to watch movies now at nighttime. We've been able to watch the game now that it's football season. So this is our home entertainment system in the tiny house, and I'm gonna hand it over to V to give you more details on all of the products that we use and how they all work together.
This mini projector here that we have on the wall hanging from the ceiling is not only a good product because the high resolution that we have focused on the screen itself has Bluetooth and it also has Wi-Fi. But what we really like is the feature where you can put an HDMI cable, HDMI port on here, so we can use the Fire Stick to be able to watch anything we want, such as like streaming devices on Amazon. And it's very light as well. It's only like maybe a pound or two.
Was it easy to set up?
Very easy to set up. This mounting bracket is great for any kind of projector because whether it's big, small, it doesn't matter. They're pretty much universal. They do have a screw on the bottom, and all you do is just screw it in, and it's held up by 3 screws. We have it into drywall. They also come with anchors, or you can go into studs. But this will the screws for the drywall work perfectly fine because this is very light. This thing alone is under a pound, and it can work for almost any projector because they're all universal. Very easy to adjust. You have this black knob right here. If you turn it, you can swivel it all the way 360 degrees, and then you can also swivel it 90 degrees each way, up and down. So I mean, you can rotate basically all around. This Fire Stick is great here because when we insert it into our projector right here, it has the HDMI port. Much easier than doing it through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, because when this is in here, the streaming, the buffering doesn't slow down at all. It's very smooth, just as if you're watching regular TV. And it has already pre-built in applications that you don't have to pay for, and some live TV as well. You can also install any app of your liking, which is really nice and convenient. So it also comes with a remote where you're able to turn it on, turn it off, same thing with the projector, and never have to come up here and touch this. Everything is controlled by the remote. Here we have the projector screen. What we did, we attached it by 2, I don't know what these screws are called, the
S-hooks?
S-hooks, I guess. All I did was find 2 studs because this is heavy. I don't know if you want to put this into drywall. It could hold, but just to be safe, we went into the studs because we are sleeping under it. We don't want it to fall on us. So what we did, I pre-drilled the holes with a drill, so it's easier to twist. I went in all the way, and then I also bought some of these hooks so I can hang a bit lower, so I can cover this whole Murphy bed here. So we're gonna pull this down. As you see, it's very easy to pull down. Or this is an 80-inch screen. At nighttime, with all the blinds closed and all the lights off, it works fantastic. It works great, just as if you were watching a regular TV.
Scroll.
Unfortunately, during the day, it's not, you really can't use it much, but at nighttime, it's absolutely fantastic.
Unless you had blackout curtains.
Unless you have blackout curtains,
then it'd be
for
fine.
Games, movies. It's actually just a wonderful screen, 80 inches. I will show you how it goes up. Pretty simple to do. And also when setting it up, as you see, we have it mounted onto the ceiling. There are two different holes in here. The one where we have it in, on top here, or there's one in the rear. The one for the rear is if you were to place it on a flat wall in the back, and then you can just pull it down. But it doesn't work for us that way because we have all this in the background. So what we did, we hooked it up onto the ceiling with these ropes coming down so it can hang perfectly over the Murphy bed. There's also string here. If it's much higher up in the air, we just have it roped around so it doesn't hang as we pull the bed back. And again, for easy demonstration, easy to pull. And once it's down, it looks beautiful, big, sturdy, strong, and there's nothing else you need more, but it's absolutely beautiful screen. We haven't fallen in love with it. We watched a few movies already, along with some NFL championship games.
If you liked this video and are in the market for more tiny home tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another great video. And while you're at it, check out our Amazon storefront where you can find all of the things that we've bought to make our tiny home awesome.